Okie dokie, we're going to come back with a certified break from Michael. What's up, man? Tried one yesterday. I actually got the box with all the serial numbered cards. Gonna try another one. Pick box. There's a glare on it. 76. There we go. Here we go. 2010 certified. Number 76. Empty. I'll keep the checklist. Darn it, fell on the floor. Again, man. There's 1 of 5. Jake Delhomme on the back. I think they're all numbered again. They are. If they're red, they're $9.99. Russell Cone, $9.99. Well, this one's Jake Delhomme Emerald to 5. Jason Campbell, Lee Evans, $9.99. What are the chances, man? 2 boxes. 2 of them are serial numbered. $9.99. Shirt off of my back. Darren McFadden, Lewis Murphy, 100. 9. All of them are $9.99. You're well on your way to making the $9.99 set. Oh, that one's actually $2.50. Okay, if it says mirror, it's $2.50. Donnie Avery, $9.99. Blue, 100. Donnie Avery. No mirrors, so $9.99. Numbered to 50. Ben Tate. Certified potential autograph. $9.99. Marquise. Santonio Holmes gold mirror to 25. Thomas Jones, Dion, Ray Rice to 100 on the blue. John Skelton, $9.99. Josh Freeman, $9.99. Massaquoi, $9.99. Beanie Wells. No mirrors. LaShawn Ryan, Owen Daniels to 100. Mike Williams, $6.99. Oh, that's cool. Double jersey autograph. Telling you, him and Des Bryant, on the fence on that one. Him and Des Bryant are probably the 2 best receivers out of this rookie class. Eric Berry, number to, yep, $9.99. $9.99. Phillip Rivers, 100. Okay. Alright, last pack, Michael. Jersey card, Antonio Gates, $2.50. 999s. There you have it, man. Another box of 999ers. But I appreciate it, bro, and I'll get all these sorted and get them out today. See ya.